This is a concert roller organ that I found at an estate sale. It uses cylinders that are usually called cobs. The interior was fairly clean, but it was clear that it had been worked on before and it certainly did not hold air. This purple cloth was not original and it needs to be replaced. The leather on the flap valves was pretty good condition, but we're going to replace it anyway. Fortunately, the prior repair had been done with hide glue and it was easy to remove with a heat gun. All of the interior boards were cleaned, sanded, and a fresh coating of shellac was applied. Here's the new bellows cloth and leather being applied onto the exhausters. The two exhausters had to be glued together to form the movable board of the air reservoir. All of the valves had new felt applied and new leather. Now it's time to start working on the wooden case. It takes a lot of clamps to fix the delamination of the veneer and the hairline cracks. Here's the restored action all ready to be reinstalled in the case. I have 9 cobs that came with my organ. However, there are websites that have over 250 listed cobs that you can buy at a reasonable price.